Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll discuss how to stop automatic payments for Snapchat Plus subscription. So let's get right into it. So, if you need to cancel your subscription through the platform you use to subscribe, either the Apple Play Store or Google Play Store, I'll just show the steps and you have to just follow through. So for iOS users, the people who use Apple devices, open Settings, launch the Setting app on your iPhone or your iPad. Tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID settings. Now, select Subscriptions to view all active subscriptions. Go and find and tap on your Snapchat Plus subscription. Tap Cancel and confirm to stop your future subscriptions. For Android users, open your Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Subscriptions. Now locate and tap on your Snapchat Plus. Now tap Cancel subscription and follow the prompt to confirm. Usually it takes at least 24 hours before the renewal date to avoid being charged for the next billing cycle. If you are on a free trial, ensure you cancel more than 24 hours before it ends to prevent any automatic conversion to paid subscription. After canceling, you should receive an email confirming your Apple or your Google Pay. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.